flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is part 2 of my kitchen makeover, and I'm super excited because guess what? You guys get to see the grand finale. Yes, this is it. This is the day. So on today, we are doing the backsplash for the kitchen. My backsplash, I picked it up from Lowe's. It's a stone light, so it's like real stone, but it's still the stick and peel, which is absolutely amazing and very durable. It was about $14 for one sheet, and we end up using 23 of them, so that was pretty good if you ask me. But it went perfect with the cabinets, with the countertops. I absolutely love it. It is everything, and it got like a gloss to it and easy to clean. You just wipe. When I tell you my brother is the best, honey, he is absolutely the best. He put this backsplash up so fast, like I didn't get to record like I wanted to. Like I wanted in-depth details, but it's okay because guess what? It's done, it's over with, and it looks amazing. You guys must continue watching.
Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain holds you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the
I know absolutely nothing about no tools, but I know that this tool right here is amazing. It's worth every dime, and I say that because it is a wet saw tool. For the ones who don't know, it is a wet saw tool, and it made the perfect, when I say perfect, the perfect cut. Just a smooth, you can rub your hands across and you ain't got to worry about getting cut with this stone. I mean, absolutely perfect.
Soon I'm climbing up 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, send me see you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, send me see you. Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at? could you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way, yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, send me to you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, send me to you. Yeah.
We are down to the second wall in my kitchen, which is by the sink, and we're gonna put back the backsplash on this wall. When I tell you guys, I absolutely love this stone backsplash. It's like a 3D, so every now and again you'll have like a couple of stones like they stick out, and it just looks so good, so natural. Like, I absolutely love it.
It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, send me to I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me.
Me and not knowing exactly what to do and how to do this kind of work, I knew that this was going to be the hardest part, at least I thought. But when you know what you're doing and you do what you do and you do it well, like my brother, he absolutely crushed it. I'm going to tell you something. My dad always told us, you measure twice and you cut once. And when I say he did that, he did it. Like, he makes me so proud in the work that he does.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games?
Look at my kitchen, you guys. Looky. Look at them new knobs on them cabinets. Beautiful. What? Look at that backsplash on that wall. Don't it just go perfect? So this is my sink before, and this is my sink now. I got a new sink. What? Well, I just got a new faucet for the sink. I didn't get a new actual sink. But anyways, I'm still excited when I tell you it's everything for me. It's everything, like everything. And on top of that, my sink now has like a soap dispenser, so I was able to get rid of my hand pump soap. Oh, I just love it, you guys. You're not gonna be able to tell me that. I see new meals, plenty of new meals being cooked in my new kitchen. This is the other side of the kitchen by the stove. Don't that look good, you guys? I'm telling you, that backsplash with them cabinets and countertops with that stone, it is gorgeous. And the sign that you see in the kitchen is made by the one and only your girl D. You can personalize you a sign on my website because I make them. If you want your sign for your kitchen, you can go and check my website out. I'll put the link down below for that. But this is not about this. This is about this kitchen makeover. Check out the night view, you guys. I am obsessed with my kitchen. When you love to cook as much as I do, this right here makes you excited. But I'm gonna tell you guys, it's the under cabinet lights for me, honey. They are remote controlled and they have 3 different settings to them. They have warm, they have dim warm, and they have white. So I'm going to show you guys that. But if you're new to my channel and you just so happen to click on this video, make sure you go hit that subscribe button so that way you can be down with D. And to my subscribers out there, you already know what time it is. I love you guys. I truly, 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 truly do. And to the next time, and to the next video, check out them lights. Thanks for watching. Bye.